Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha at home without sugar. Full guide. Start by gathering a starter culture, unsweetened tea, and an alternative fermentable like stevia or monk fruit to feed the SCOBY. Keep equipment clean, control temperature between 20 degrees C and 28 degrees C, and monitor pH until safe acidity is reached. Taste starting on day 5, bottle when flavor pleases you, and reserve starter liquid for the next batch. Begin by brewing a concentrated tea to extract tannins, then cool it to room temperature before adding the SCOBY. Measure sweetener alternatives precisely because fermentation speed varies with fermentable availability. Mix in 10% to 20% starter liquid to acidify the brew and protect against unwanted microbes. Ferment in a breathable cover at stable room temperature and taste often to determine when acidity and sweetness balance for bottling. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more brewing tips and experiments. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brightens your kitchen, plays fermentation timers, and keeps recipes handy with simple voice commands. It pairs perfectly with cozy brewing sessions and makes multitasking easier when you juggle jars and timers. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the jar in a warm, undisturbed spot away from direct sunlight and maintain 20 degrees C to 28 degrees C for steady fermentation. Check taste starting on day 5 and record flavor notes to refine timing for future batches. When acidity and fizziness suit you, bottle carefully, leaving headspace for carbonation, and refrigerate to slow fermentation. Always keep back 10% to 20% of liquid for your next starter to ensure continuity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.